How to fix BSoD error code 0x00000016 or 0x00000017 on Windows. 1. Check then close unused/unknown startup and other background software. 2. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run a system file scan, SFC, as admin. 4. Update uninstall your Avast antivirus utility using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Plan B, clean boot your Windows. Note, you may need to uninstall any third-party antivirus. 5. Adjust power plan settings for the hard drive. Path, hard disk turn off hard disk after on battery, minutes. 6. Uninstall then reinstall the game the error arises with. 7. Other tips you may use to fix 0x00000016 blue screen error. Uninstall then reinstall your graphics card drivers. Disable the sleep functionality of your monitor. Run blue screen troubleshooter. Check if your computer was overheating. Hint, you may try some system /water cooling. Check all your hardware, from disk to RAM and to CPU. 8. Some other tips to fix error. Code 0x00000017. Clean the BSoD bad memory entries via /enum all command, admin mode. Plan B, run these commands in command prompt under Windows save mode. /enum all /delete value bad memory list reset Windows update components. Make the Windows update service and bit service run automatically. Run dism/online/cleanup image/restore health command as admin. Use Windows installation media and run the following commands as admin. dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health change DNS settings. Copy the back system files at c:\windows\system32\config\reg back and place M in the config subfolder. Disconnect external devices. Update motherboard drivers. Disable hybrid graphics in BIOS. Last but not least, perform a clean Windows install.